everyone, Chrissy here from couponconfidants.com. It is time to go over the weekly deals for Publix. These are digital deals that I do for you guys that everyone can do. The only thing you need is your phone. We're going to be working with nothing but digital coupons and rebates. So they're very easy for everyone to do. And it is an absolutely great week at Publix. So I'm going to try to make this quick, but I have a feeling it might be a long video because I have a couple different posts I want to go over with you. And it's also gas card week, which means if you spend $50 on groceries before coupons or rebates or anything, $50, you can buy a $50 gas card that makes your total around $100, and then you can get $10 off of your total using a coupon that's in the ad that you get in your papers, or you can get the ad right inside the store. It's just a little coupon right in the front, $10 off 50. So even if you do no deals, if you just buy $50 worth of groceries and you need gas and you can afford it, grab a $50 gas gift card and then use that $10. You're getting $10 off of your gas or your total. So it's a good buy. So I wrote a couple different scenarios for you guys for that also. And again, all digitals, something that every single person can do. So we'll just go ahead and get into it now. A couple different things I want to talk to you guys about. So I'm going to make myself small over there. And first thing up, next week, the whole chicken tender subs are on sale. This is just something worth mentioning because they are so freaking good. And every time that these do go on sale, Publix Deli is very, very busy. So if you want to get one of these, you might want to put in your order and then go and pick it up, or you're going to have to probably stand in a line. I'm not sure how it's going to be with the whole Corona thing, but they are really, really good subs. So I'm definitely going to miss that this time. Another thing going on right now is free oat milk at Publix. So again, this is probably something you can save for your gas card. I didn't even write it in my gas card deal. I don't know why, because I'm being silly. So I'll have to come up with another scenario tomorrow. Free Planet oat milk. If you can find it in your store, just clip the coupon and you can go in there and you get it for free. And then another freebie we have going on right now is with Core organic drinks. I have a lot of different people have told me that these are hard to find, but it would be free after your Ibotta. So you're going to have to pay for the item and then you're going to submit it through Ibotta right here. And you will get back $2.50, which is the price of the drink. So it essentially makes it free. So first I'm going to go over the deals with you guys that I wrote, and then we can go ahead and go over the two gas card scenarios that I have. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. So this week is July 8th through the 14th or July 9th through the 15th, depending on where you live. And the first deal up, like I said, the whole chicken tender subs, we mentioned that. Tostitos dips and chips, right? They are on sale, $3.33 a piece. They're normally $4.29 a piece, right? So they're on sale 3 for $10. I have a scenario where you buy 2 chips and you buy 1 dip and you use $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon, making them $2.83 each. And then these are also Fetch Reward brand items. So make sure you submit your receipt and you will get bonus points from Fetch for those items as well. Zone Perfect bars, normally $5. You're going to get them for $1.08. They are on sale 3 for $10, $3.33. You can buy 2 of the macros or the kids. The macros is definitely included in the digital coupon I'm listing. I'm not sure if the kids are. I'll have to verify it once we get the week started. So buy 2, use $1.50 off 2 Publix digital coupon. You're going to pay $5.16, and then you're going to redeem $2.50 off 1 Ibotta rebates, making them $1.08 each. Starbucks coffee, super cheap. This is a very easy deal to do. I might film in the store showing you exactly what I'm talking about, but I'm going to try to explain it to you right now as easily as I possibly can. So there is an app called Shopkicks. Okay, it's on your phone. You just download it. And what they do is they pay you points. They call them kicks. 500 kicks is worth about $2, and you can get kicks very easily. So basically, you have the app and you get paid 10 kicks just to walk into a store. Any store, pretty much. They're all in the app. So 10 points you're going to get just for walking into Publix. And then they give points away, 40, 45 points, 50 points depending, to walk around the store and just scan barcodes of certain items. So if you have nothing to do, or like you need to keep maybe a teenager busy while you're in the store shopping, make them go around and do this on the phone, or maybe they can download it on their phone. They can get one too. I don't know. It's very easy. You just go around, you scan barcodes. And then you get a huge amount of points if you buy some of these items. So this is the way that I wrote this for this Starbucks deal for you. And you'll see it in the Starbucks gas card that I do in a little while. So the Starbucks bags and K-Cups are on sale for $6.99. You have to pay the $6.99. Then you're going to redeem a $2 off one Ibotta rebates. Now the rebates, there are rebates on the essential vitamins. There are rebates on the ground turmeric. There are different rebates. I have them all listed in the gas card deal. You'll see it. Just make sure you're buying the correct variety that's listed, so you get your Ibotta rebate back. And you're going to earn 895 shop kicks, okay, because you're going to scan the barcode in the store and you're going to purchase it. And you can also earn extra kicks just by scanning the other barcode, the other Starbucks by you. So technically, you can scan the other items and get more off of your one bag of Starbucks. Excuse me. Or you can buy multiple bags of Starbucks or K-Cups, depending on what you see in the app. Again, you check these two apps, make sure that you're getting that specific variety first, and then you will get these points back. So this is just the scenario I did for one bag, and you can get it for $2.02, which is crazy because Starbucks is normally like $8 a bag. So right here, as you can see, if you want to go ahead and download the app, you can download it, and then you'll get extra points for signing up through my link right there. If you need any help with it, just let me know. So another deal here is Flips Pretzels. If your store starts their cycle on Wednesday, then you will most likely be able to get this deal. Us down here in Florida, we will not be able to get it. The pretzels are buy one, get one free, $3.40. You have to pay that. And then there are 75 off one Ibotta rebates. Again, this rebate ends in 2 days or 3 days, the app says. So just make sure you check your Ibotta app first before buying it to make sure that it is still available. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the people on Wednesday are going to be able to get this deal, and us on Thursday we're not. Family-sized crackers are buy one, get one free, $4.49 at Publix, and they will be $1.49 after this deal right here. So buy two, pay $4.49, and then you're going to submit two 75 cents off one checkout 51 rebates, making them $1.49 each. Now you can do this up to 5 times, but I also listed an Oreo deal or a Nutter Butter deal, and that also goes with the same rebate. So if you're getting a lot of Nabisco crackers or cookies, you're only allowed a total of 5. So either make sure you're mixing and matching, or you're not going and getting 5 Oreos and then 5 crackers and then saying, Chrissy, I didn't get my rewards. Betty Crocker FruitSnax, buy one, get one free, $2.99. It'll be 99 cents after the breakdown here. Buy two, use a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon, pay $1.24 each, and then you're going to redeem a 50 cents off 2 Saving Star rebate, making them 99 cents a piece. Sweet Earth burritos, buy one, get one free, $3.40. You will get them for 99 cents. You're going to pay the $3.49 for 2, but then you're going to actually redeem 2 75 cents off 1 Ibotta rebates. You can do this deal up to 5 times. Same thing with this one, buy one, get one free, Sweet Earth bowls, $5.29. You pay the $5.29 for 2, and then you can redeem $2.75 off 1 Ibotta rebate. So these are separate rebates than the burritos. Essentially, you can go ahead and get 5 of each. If you're in half BOGO, if you're in true BOGO, you want to stick with even numbers so you can get 4 of each. And then these are just some other deals worth noting. Again, I'm not going to go over this right now. You can just come back to this post and see all the other deals, and make sure you check back anyway because I'll be adding more digital deals as I find them. This is the Starbucks deal that I was telling you guys about. This is a gas card scenario that I made. So it's $72.94 for 8 items, 8 Starbucks items, and a $50 gas card. Okay, that is an amazing deal. And again, anybody can do it. So here is the scenario as it goes. Buy 2 ground coffee essentials. Buy 2 K-Cups 2 times caffeine. Buy 2 K-Cups golden turmeric. Buy 2 K-Cups essential vitamins. That brings your total to $55.92. You're going to buy a $50 gas gift card. That brings your total to $105.92. Now you're going to use that $10 off 50 gas card coupon in the ad, okay? While you are in the store, you're going to open up your ShopKicks app and you're going to get 10 kicks for walking in. Then you're going to scan your K-Cups 2 times caffeine, which you are buying. You're going to scan your ground coffee essential vitamins, which you are buying. And you are going to scan the ground coffee golden turmeric. You are not buying that one, you are just scanning it so you can get extra points. You're going to pay $95.92. Then you are going to redeem 2 $2 off 1 Ibotta ground coffee essential vitamins, 2 $2 off 1 K-Cups 2 times caffeine, 2 $2 off 1 K-Cups golden turmeric, 2 $2 off 1 K-Cup essential vitamins. Then you're going to take a picture of your receipt on ShopKicks and you're going to earn $1,700 points. $1,700, what a deal. 1,700 points. And in the store you earned 145 points for the scans and the walk-in, which is $6.98 in kicks total, okay? Final price, considering all of your rebates and your rewards and all of this jazz, is $72.94, which is an amazing deal on coffee. Now the next gas card I have written for you is basically all food items. Like I said, I really should have added those 2 freebies, but I didn't even think about it, and a lot of them probably are not going to be in store because the Planet Oat Milk is going very quickly. So this is a totally feasible deal you can do, and you're going to get all of these items, multiple of these items, for $77.78, and your $50 gas card is included. So with this one, you are going to buy 2 Betty Crocker FruitSnax, buy 4 Sweet Earth bowls, buy 4 Sweet Earth burritos, buy 2 Zone Perfect nutritious bars, $3.33, okay? I don't know why I mentioned that price and not the other ones. Buy 2 Nabisco family size crackers BOGO, buy 2 Oreos or Nutter Butters, buy 2 Nature Valley bars, buy 2 Tostitos chips, and 1 salsa, salsa or dip, okay? 2 chips and then 1 salsa or dip. Now your total is $51.28. Now you're going to pick up a $50 gas card. Now your total is $101.28. Now you use the $10 off 50 in-ad store coupon, and then you're going to use these digital coupons as well. 50 cents off 2 Betty Crocker, $1.50 off 3 Tostitos, $1.50 off 2 Zone Perfect, 50 cents off 2 Nature Valley bars. You're going to pay $87.28, and then the redemptions you're going to get are going to be as follows: $2.50 off 1 Ibotta's for Zone Perfect bars, 4 75 cents off 1 Ibotta for the burritos, 4 75 cents off 1 for the bowls, 4 75 cents off 1 checkout 51 rebates. Now this is for crackers and cookies. And 1 50 cents off 2 Saving Star, making your final price $77.78 for a ton of food and gas for the family. So that is it. that is what I have for you this week for Publix. Like I said, I think it's a really good week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.